already sitting over there and watching my lecture. This is Deepika, happily welcoming you all to PRITHYA Classroom. In previous lecture, we have discussed how to deal with problems on average, and we have seen some example problems also. And in continuation to those example problems, we are about to see few more example problems on the same topic today. Okay? Are you all ready to solve? Good. Let's get started. There are two sections A and B of a class consisting of 36 and 44 students respectively. If the average weight of section A is 40 kg and that of section B is 35 kg, find the average weight of whole class. Okay, what is given in the question? It is given in the question there are two sections in the class, A section and B section. In A section there are 36 students and their average weight is 40 kg, and in B section there are 44 students and their average weight is 35 kg, and we are supposed to find the average weight of the whole class. Okay, what is the formula for average? The sum of weight, sum divided by total number, and in this case it is sum of weight of all the students in the class whole divided by the total number of students, right? Good. How to find the total number of students in the class? The number of students in the A section plus the number of students in the B sections, which means 36 plus 44 is the total number of students. Okay. Then how to find the sum of weight of the students? It is given that the average weight of section A is nothing but 40 kg, which means the sum of weight of 36 students whole divided by 36 is equal to 40. Therefore, the sum of 36 students is nothing but 36 into 40. Similarly, what is the sum of weight of students in the section B? Average weight into number of students in the section B, right? Good. So, the average weight is nothing but 35 kg. 35 kg in the total number of students in section B? 44. Good. Okay. On simplifying, we'll get the sum of weight of students as 2980 and the total number of students as 80. Good. Now, we are supposed to find the average weight of whole class, right? Good. How to find it? You have to substitute these values in the formula so that you will get the average weight of the whole class. So, average is equal to 2980, the whole divided by 80. So, on simplifying, we will get an average weight which is nothing but the average weight of the whole class. Good. Are you ready for the second problem? Good. Let's read the second problem. The distance between the two stations A and B is given as 778 km. A train that covers a journey from A to B in 84 km per hour and from B to A with an uniform speed of 56 km per hour, and we are supposed to find the average speed of the train during the whole journey. Okay, in the previous lecture we have seen one formula relating to this scenario. Do you remember? Good. What is that? If a train or a man or some moving object covers some distance with x speed and comes back, or it is covering the same distance again with some other speed y, then the average speed taken by a man or a train to cover the whole journey is nothing but 2 into x into y whole divided by x plus y. Okay, what is the x given here? In our question, x is nothing but 84 km per hour and y is nothing but 56 kilometer per hour. Okay, let's substitute 2 into 84 into 56 whole divided by 84 plus 56. Okay, on simplifying we will get the average speed as 67.2 kilometers per hour. It is very simple, right? You just want to remember the formula. Let's begin the third problem. A batsman makes a score of 87 runs in the 17th inning and thus increases his average by 3. Find his average after 17th inning. Okay, what is given in the question? It is given that a batsman has scored 87 runs in the 17th inning and his average is increasing by 3. Okay, let's assume the average after 17th inning as X. Okay, then what would have been the average before 17th inning? It is X minus 3. Good. So this can also be termed as average after 16th inning, right? Good. Okay, let's make it clear. We have assumed the average after 17th inning as X, whereas the average after 16th inning as X minus 3. Okay, what are the values we know? We know the runs scored by the batsman in the 17th inning as 87 runs. Good. So after 17th inning, what is the average formula? Total run divided by the number of observations, right? So after 17th inning, what would have been the formula for finding the average? Average after 17 innings is equal to the total run taken by the batsman in the all 17 innings whole divided by 17, which is nothing but the total number of innings, right? Okay, let's substitute the known values and assumed values. We have assumed the average after 17th inning as X, which is equal to the total run taken by the batsman during the 17 innings whole divided by 17. Okay, from which we have found the total run taken by the batsman after 17th inning as 17 into X. Good. Let's find the total run taken by the batsman during 16 innings. How to find it? We have assumed the average before 17th inning, which is nothing but the average before 16th inning, right? Good. Let's find the average after 16 innings is given by the total run taken by the batsman during the whole 16 innings after covering the 16 innings whole divided by 16. Okay. On substituting the assumed values and known values, we will get the total run taken by the batsman after 16 innings as 16x minus 48. Good. Okay. What we have to find? We have to find the average after 16 innings, right? Okay. We know the total run taken by the batsman after 17 innings, as well as we know the total run taken by the batsman after 16th inning, as well as we know the run scored by the batsman during the 17th inning. So we can make a formula like this, right? The total run taken after 17th innings is nothing but 87 plus the total run taken after 16th inning. Good. So on substituting the values, we will get X as 39. So here 39 is nothing but the average scored by a batsman after 17 innings. Okay. Let's jump into the fourth problem. It is very interesting, right? Are you all with me? Good. Let's read the first question with the same into. The average age of a class of 39 students is 15 years. If the age of a teacher be included, then the average increases by 3 months. Find the age of the teacher. Okay. Now, we have to write on the formula for average and substitute the known values. Okay. And before that, let's make an assumption that age of the teacher as X, because that is the value we are about to find in this question, right? Good. Let's substitute the formula. Average age of 39 students is equal to 15, which is nothing but the total age of the 39 students whole divided by 39 is equal to 15, from which we can find the total age of 39
If you like
students
this
as
video, please share
585.
and help me
And
spreading
it
my
is also
knowledge,
given in the
and subscribe
question,
to PRITHYA Classroom for more videos.
average is
Thanks for
increasing by
watching.
3 months after adding teacher. So, average after adding teacher's age is equal to 15 years plus here 3 months. So, we have to convert month into years so that we will get 3 by 12, which is nothing but 1 by 4. We are going to add this with 15. 15 plus 1 by 4, which is nothing but 61 by 4. So, the average age after adding teacher's age is nothing but 61 by 4. Now, we have to substitute the formula for average. What is the formula? The total age divided by 39? No, 40. Why? Because we are adding teacher. Already 39 students. 39 plus 1 is equal to 40. The total number of people is 40. Okay. Now, the total age is nothing but the total age of students plus the age of teacher. Total age of students we have found as 585. So, 585 plus, we don't know the age of teacher, but we have assumed x. X whole divided by 40 is equal to 61 by 4. So, cancel each other. So, we will get an equation like 585 plus x is equal to 610. On solving, we will get the age of teacher x as 25. So, the age of teacher is 25. Good. Whatever question is given to you, read it one more time. If you feel the question is difficult, read it one more time. Try to visualize the scenario given in your question. Then it will be very easier for you to solve the question. Okay? Good. Let's solve the last example problem of this session. Okay? The average of 11 results is given as 60. If the average of first 6 results is 58, that of last 6 is 63, we have to find the 6th result. Okay, first they have given the average of 11 results as 60. We can substitute the known values in such a way we can know what is the sum of all the 11 results, which is nothing but 66, right? Okay, they have also provided us average of first 6 as 58, with which we can find the sum of first 6 is nothing but 58 into 6. Same way, the average of last 6 is given as 63, from which we can write the sum of last 6 is 63 into 6. Okay. Now, what we have to find? We have to find the 6th result. When we add these two values, we will get the sum of 12 values. Yes, 12 values, where 6th value is added both in the first case as well as in the last case. Okay, because in the 11 values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. In the 11 values, you can note that first 6 includes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, as well as last 6 includes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6. Okay. So, when we add these two values, it is nothing but the sum of first 5 values plus the sum of last 5 values plus twice the 6th value. Okay. Okay. So, we know the total sum of all the 11 values, and we know the sum of first 6 and last 6. So, we can make a formula like sum of first 6 plus sum of last 6 is equal to total sum plus x.
On substituting the known values, we will get the value of x. Okay, x is nothing but the 6th value. Successfully completed solving all the example problems. In the next video, I'll provide the practice problems. Okay, if you have any suggestions, please comment below, share and help me in spreading my knowledge. And subscribe to PRITHYA Classroom if you find the videos in this channel are useful. Thank you.